Hi. We have various reasons to continue to our stance that we are not very optimistic on the market from short to medium term. Despite 50 basis reduction in repo and reverse repo rates by RBI, market has failed to cheer. When I say failed to cheer, I mean it has not managed to sustain at higher levels, and 5400 or so has again acted as stiff resistance for the market. Options data is not indicating much. But the way FIs are moving into the market has been quite confusing. First thing, that there has been some formation of fresh long positions in index futures, but the quantum is less. At the same time, the selling is not significant in cash market, but same can be said for the buying. So there has been quite an inaction from FIs. But one interesting thing from their perspective is their cumulative position compared to gross market-wide position of the market is coming down significantly. From 36-37% it has come down to 30-odd%, which clearly indicates that these guys are reducing their exposure in Indian markets. Now there can be various reasons assigned to it, but for us there are two prominent reasons. First thing is underperformance of Indian markets, policy paralysis, that can be first reason, and the second reason is pertaining to GAR. So the exposure of FIs is coming down, and whenever we have seen the such kind of restrictions laid down on FIs inflows and the exposure coming down leads to big moves, either on upside or downside. It doesn't seem that this time the move would be upside, but we are betting on the downside, and we believe that 5200 support, which is holding as of now quite nicely, may continue to hold for remaining 4 days of April series. But come May, I think sell in May and go away trade would again be active, and we might see this support going probably in first week of May. So we would be cautious in market, and any rise to 5350, 5400 levels should be used to go short in at least in index futures, if not stocks.